Hello friends, I am Samim. Welcome back to another video. Friends, today in this video I am going to tell you 20 most important animal GA question answer part 4 video. So friends, without wasting time, let's get right into the video. The first question, how many chambers does a cow's stomach have? Answer 4. Question number 2, in which country quails are only found? Answer Australia. Question number 3, which fish can swim with faster speed in sea or ocean? Answer Cyfish. Question number 4, the only snake that builds a nest is? Answer King Cobra. Question number 5, which animal do not make any sound? Answer giraffe. Question number 6, which bird lays more than 100 eggs in one nest? Answer ostrich. Question number 7, what animal has the worst memory? Answer elephant. Question number 8, name the only animal that dislike white color. Answer tiger. Question number 9, what animal has the longest memory? Answer dolphin. Question number 10, name the fish that can taste with its whole body. Answer catfish. Question number 11, what is the largest seabird? Answer albatross. Question number 12, how many legs does a butterfly have? Answer 6. Question number 13, name the only fish that makes nest. Answer stickleback. Question number 14, what is the fastest of the all birds? Answer swift. Question number 15, what animals are warm-blooded? Answer birds. Question number 16, what color is a giraffe's tongue? Answer purple. Question number 17, how many chambers does a reptile's heart have? Answer 3. Question number 18, which animal has largest of brain in the world? Answer sperm whale. Question number 19, which is the heaviest flying bird in the world? Answer great bustard. Question number 20, a group of snakes is called? Answer a den.